running against the grain of your culture requires extra effort. What you just saw was my morning routine, starting with a cold shower, then going downstairs and reading with some of the Wolfpack members. And now I just finished eating my breakfast, which was the eggs that you guys saw me scramble. I have an update for you guys. Yesterday I booked 2 showings for today, and this is one of them. I needed to get a confirmation, so I got the confirmation today, confirmed right there by a broker at 9:30. Down below it says, the lock number, the lockbox, like access code and stuff, but obviously I can't show you guys that. Go down below and hit the subscribe button right now. Something that is really important to do is to just timestamp it here. Like, when do you have the showings? Obviously I'm doing it selfie mode right here, so you can't really make it out, but it's 8:30 and 9:30. Sorry for the bad handwriting. Another thing that is very important to do is also put on the access instructions. So if it's a left side of the railing, access code 1234, then I would write that on the side, just so when I'm flipping through them I know exactly what I have to do in order to get into the house. It's currently 6:30, and as you can see, the first showing is at 8:30 and it's around 20 minutes away, so I have a good hour and a half before I have to go. So I'm just gonna take some time. I put an Instagram story up, I'll put it up right over here, where I said to drop some questions for this vlog. So I'm just gonna go through them and see the best one. Alright, so question number 1 for today is, what are your real estate goals? For a year-by-year basis, I know I used to say things like, I wanna make $1 million and things like that. Well, now my main goal is just doing the best that I can. I see this first year as a starting point, a benchmark point. Obviously I want to make as much as I can, but I would like to think more long term. So over here, my little vision board that I made many months ago, you can see that I have money. It's all inverted, so you can't really see it, but I have $10 million a month. That's what I want to get up to, years in the future. And I want to be donating $1 million a month, so 10% of my income. And I just want to make sure that everyone, let's see if you can see it here. Yeah, so that over there is a family tree. I want to make sure everyone in my entire family tree, generations to come, are just fully set. I want to have a perfect body. I want to live in Santorini or Spain or something, on the coast with a huge mansion, nice infinity pool over the water, a bunch of things like that. If you guys want to see a video on everything about that, just let me know and I'll be sure to drop that. As I said before, I have an hour or so to spare, so I might just read a bit of this book right here, Essentialism, and I'll also just look for some leases that I can post on Facebook Marketplace to get some potential rental clients. So I've been at it for about 20 minutes, and I got a list of a bunch of properties that I'll probably be posting on Facebook Marketplace, or at least I'll be contacting each of the agents and seeing which one allows me, and I'll probably post about 5 of them. I have a range from 3,100 to 6,100 because although I do want to get the high ticket places, the higher price places, I also want to have enough people reaching out, so I also have the lower but still sort of high price places 3,000 and above. See, as you can see here, we have a bunch of places 10 or something. I have it in a cart. Oh, it's 11 right there. I called it Facebook Marketplace postings, and then you see we have all the prices, and as you can see, they're all in Toronto West because that's where I live, and it just makes it so much easier to get to all these places. So yeah. It's 7:50, almost time for me to go. I'm gonna leave in 5-10 minutes, just fill up my water bottle, use the washroom and everything. So I thought I'd get ready, and what you guys just saw was my very bad attempt at some cool TikTok type transitions. I'm gonna get better at it, trust me. But yeah, this is the fit for today. Nice little pants, belt, and just a shirt. I don't like really wearing a vest when going to showings. I like being nice and comfortable and having, not a vest, but a blazer on top. I don't think that's very comfortable. I like having, the top button open and, just chilling. So yeah, time to go out into the world of real estate and do these showings. And of course, when I say showings, you guys already know I'm going there to record some content, get some banger videos for my TikTok, YouTube, and my Instagram. And when I say YouTube, it's not this YouTube channel. Those are going to be posted on my new Bhavjot Cheema Real Estate YouTube channel. So I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Make sure you guys go check it out. While we wait, go down below and hit the subscribe button right now. Alright everyone, this is the first time in a long time. It's actually really cold outside. I walked outside, I took a breath and I saw the breath for the first time in a long time. Yeah, I might be screwed here, but I'm not going to be outside for too long, so I think it'll be just fine. Anyways, we are on the way. It's like 8 p.m. 8 a.m. Yeah, 7:57. It's like 20 minutes away. I have it booked for 8:30. I like to get there a little early so I can, check out the property, so I can make the best use of my time. That's also why I booked it so early, just because like no one else will book it at this time. So that allows me, that extra time to like go in ahead of time. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna drive there and you'll see me outside. I just got inside, and the first thing you have to do always is, obviously depending on the listing description or the showing instructions, take off your shoes. So shoes are now off on the floor there. Very good. And the second thing you have to do is take your trusty business card here and put it where the other business cards are. There's only one so far, as you can see, and I put mine right there. Beautiful. Next, what you have to do, or something that you should really do, is turn on all the lights. Okay, there, yeah, the lights are on. Got the pot lights on. And you just want to go through everywhere. And this is not only if you're recording, this is also if you're getting here before your clients show up. You want to make sure that you have all the lights on. So there, got that one on as well. All the blinds are already open. Great, I don't have to do that. Just literally, okay. This does nothing apparently. Okay, that's nice. Turn that light on. When you walk in here, that light's on, those blinds are open, so we're good to go. Walk into this nicely renovated washroom, lights in the corner. And that's the fan. And that's a shower light. Nice. So you want to make sure you play with the buttons a little bit and just see. Well, that's cool. Those lights are now on. Walk in this room. Okay, something just fell. That is very, very suspect. I'm just gonna put that back on. Okay. And as I was saying, you wanna play with the buttons a little bit and see what everything does. And also you wanna open the blinds. Thankfully, the blinds are all open. I don't have to do anything. Oh, there's a nice little pool back there. Honestly, I didn't even see that. Wait, that's weird. And then you want to go here, just open all the closets, get a little feel for the home. I would recommend you do this before the clients show up and sort of get a thought of like what you might want to say. What I personally do is I look at all the pictures and I actually come with the notes prior to actually showing up to the place. Just so I know everything, like what to do if I'm coming with a client. In this case, I'm coming here just to record content, so it makes more sense for me not to use all of my time doing that. And so yeah, there's actually a basement here too, which looks like they're in the process of moving out. A little bit of construction there too. I don't think I'll include this in the video, but so I'll just leave this place alone. But yeah, I'm just gonna go record some content now. Outside, I'm gonna do a little introduction. Like, this is what $5,000 gets you in Toronto, Ontario. And then I'm gonna come inside and do a nice little video. And if you guys want to see that video, as I said, it'll be on the Bhavjot Cheema Real Estate channel, and it'll also be on my TikTok and Instagram, which is bhavjot.cheema. All right, see you guys at the next property. It's a quick change of plans. I actually just went through the entire property, recorded everything, and I realized that I didn't have the best path. And this is the beauty of coming early to do these types of showings, that my time of 8:30 just started right now. And I've already walked through the entire property and I've already recorded. So now I have the option to actually go through and do it again in the most optimal way. So that's a lesson for you. Make sure that you always get there early. I just finished going through the entire home once again, this time with a much better path. And I feel like the video came out a million times better. So if you have the time, it's important not to rush things. And if you need to, just take a second attempt. Now I'm gonna turn off all of the lights over here. Yep. You have to make sure you do this every time. Make sure you turn off all the lights. You don't want to be running up these other people's bills. And you know, at the same time, in like 99% of listing descriptions, they'll be telling you to make sure you turn off the lights. So that's what I'm doing now. Sometimes it's hard to figure out what these, like, all these different buttons actually do, but yep, here we go. And I'm just gonna close all the closets so it looks like a little bit more tidy. Obviously, I don't want to make everything nice and open. For the other agent, gotta make sure they put in the work too. This is a really nice washroom, by the way. The lights are over here in the corner. Everything's off. Oh, I turned on the fan by accident. So we turned that off with that. Beautiful. And then we go into this room, close the closet. And yeah, you guys get the gist. I'm not gonna make you watch me do all of this, but yeah. On to the next house. All right, everyone, I just went through the property. I am now at the second one. And yeah, it's a much larger property. There's a lot more rooms. There's like a million closets in this place. It's actually insane. Every room has like 2 or 3 closets. It's crazy. But the best part of this is the neighborhood. It is like a bungalow. It is one of the lesser homes in the neighborhood, but just looking at the houses around, it just looks amazing. Even if I'm living in the worst place, this is definitely not the worst place, but one of the worser places in an amazing neighborhood with like 3 big mansions, honestly, I'd be fine with it, just walking through and looking at all the mansions for like extra motivation. I really love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and record. I already walked through the property as if I was recording just to practice, and I think I found the best path possible. I just got here like 30 minutes early. This is the best thing about booking showings in the early mornings, especially if you're just trying to record content. That's the only reason you're going for the showings. Then it would be very, very helpful to book it early, because if you're early or if you're late, most of the time it does not matter. Make sure that there's no one there. Obviously, you know, I knocked the doors, I looked, there's no other cars, and we were good to go. So here I am doing everything 30 minutes earlier than I would have done beforehand. So I'm just saying, morning showings is the way to go. I actually had to go to Fortino's, which is where I'm at right now, because I need to get my grocery for my meals of the week. So I guess I'm gonna take you guys with me, so let's go. Yes, that's seriously all I need to sustain me throughout the week. Obviously, I already have my rice and eggs at home, but other than that, yeah, that's everything I need. All right, everyone, I am now home from the grocery store and from my 2 showings. It's around 10:40 right now, and at 11, I have a call with the Wolfpack. It's a really, really good call. I love going to it every single Monday from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. I absolutely love it. So in the meantime, I'm probably just gonna get changed, look at all the clips, see in which way I want to arrange the clips, because I also take like different clips, and sometimes I go to the backyard first, sometimes I do the front first, sometimes I do upstairs first or downstairs. I like to switch it up. So I'm just gonna look and arrange things in the way that I like them. I just hopped off the Wolfpack call. It's 12:30 p.m. so I went on a little longer than expected. The main contents of the call usually finish around 45 minutes in. It's just chatting with these like-minded, super high, business professionals, and that's why I love to stay in and listen to the conversation and even, just get to talk with these amazing, successful people. So that's what I spent the last 30 minutes doing. Now I will be editing not only the 2 videos that I took at the 2 properties, but also this video you are watching right now. This video that you're watching right now is being edited right now. This is just something I have to do in order to see if I can actually upload daily. Because if I can finish this video by the end of the day and have it ready to upload tomorrow, then I might actually just say screw it and upload daily vlogs. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I will be editing until 2 p.m. Hopefully I can finish the editing by then, but an hour and 30 minutes is not enough time. If I somehow do it, I'm a legend, but I guess we'll see. I am a certified legend. I just finished editing all 3 videos, including this video that you're watching right now, and it took me an hour. It's now 1:30, so I can actually eat my lunch earlier than normal. It's currently 2:45 p.m. I just made my lunch. I love this food so much. We got the Frank's extra red hot, cayenne pepper, extra hot, something like that. I don't know, it's just crazy hot. I remember I had it like a month ago and I couldn't get another bottle until now. I know it's super spicy and I love spicy food, so I'm super excited to eat this. And I'm actually really tired. I barely got any sleep last night, like 2 hours if I'm lucky. So I'm actually gonna just take a nap after this, probably for an hour, wake up, have dinner, just because I have boxing when I normally would have dinner, and then after boxing I'll have a protein shake and then go to sleep. That's the plan, and I'll see you when I wake up from my nap. I am now up from my hour nap. It's 4:30 right now. I have to get up and I have to make my dinner ASAP so that I could go to boxing and then come home, have a protein shake, chill for an hour or like 30 minutes, and then go to sleep and make sure that I don't have to take a nap tomorrow. Okay everyone, it is now 5:15, which means I have to leave in 15 minutes. I just made my food and you see I'm all ready. I just have to put my sweater on and then we're jetting out of here. But first, I have to eat this meal. This is the meal I look forward to every day. Like, I just love salmon and I love rice. Salmon and rice mixed together, perfection. Normally I would drench this in hot sauce, but I am going boxing right after eating this, and that might not be the best idea. So I'm just gonna eat this, go to boxing, and I'll see you guys. When will I see you guys? I'll see you guys right after boxing. Alright guys, I just finished boxing and those 2 hours of sleep really hitting me right now. Like on the way here I was driving. Normally I never get angry, like I'm a very calm driver. I never like honk the horn or anything, but I was just so mad driving on the way because I was tired and I was late. During the boxing session I felt the grogginess, but I don't know bro, I still feel great. My shoulders are both done. I'm gonna take like a cold shower, maybe ice them, do some stretching, but yeah, time to head home. I am home. I just took some amazing pictures of the sky, night sky. I love taking pictures of the night sky coming home from boxing, because I usually come home, like I'm on the highway near my home, like near the airport at like 7:30ish, and the views are always amazing. They have like nice sunsets, or the sun had already set, but you can still see like a little bit of the light from the sun making the sky look absolutely amazing. Yeah, so I just took a bunch of pictures of that on the way home. And yeah, here we are back where the day started. I'm just gonna hop in the shower, get my protein shake, and then I'm going to get editing this video and I'm gonna get it ready to upload overnight. Then I'm gonna upload it onto YouTube and then I'm gonna actually release it to the public tomorrow morning, hopefully. So yeah, I'll see you then. Alright everyone, my day is coming to a close finally. I'm just gonna go and edit this entire video. I'm sitting here at my desk. And yeah, I'm just gonna edit this video, and the second I edit, I'm gonna click upload, see how long it takes. I'm doing it from my phone, so I don't know how that works. I've never uploaded it from my phone, but if I need to, I'll upload it onto my MacBook here, and then from the MacBook upload it onto YouTube, and then yeah, we'll see how that goes. The video is now completely done edited. I'm just gonna add this last clip and then it's done. I'm just here to say good night and thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. And obviously you've watched until the end of the video, just drop a like, drop a comment, ask me any questions. I'll actually answer the questions tomorrow's vlog, because I think I can keep this up daily. I'll try my best. And yeah, make sure you go down below, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.